Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. The earth has music for those who listen. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Like rivers, life flows forward, never backward. Mountains teach us patience, rivers teach us persistence, and forests teach us peace. A sunset is proof that endings can be beautiful too. Water flows effortlessly, yet shapes even the hardest rocks. So should we in life. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Nature is the art of God. Let the river flow and the worries go. Mountains whisper wisdom to those who listen. Every flower blooms in its own time. Sky above, earth below, peace within. Rivers don't rush, yet they reach the ocean. Sunsets are proof that beauty exists in endings. Nature's silence speaks louder than words. The wind teaches us to dance with change. Forests breathe, and so should we. Let the waves wash away your worries. Life flows like a river, always moving forward. Every sunrise is a new beginning. The stars remind us that light always shines in darkness. Nature's beauty is a reminder to slow down and breathe. Nature is the best healer. The wind whispers secrets only the heart can hear. Let the river teach you how to move with grace. The mountains stand still, yet they inspire movement. Like the sun, always rise no matter what. Raindrops remind us that even small things make a difference. The ocean teaches us patience and depth. Leaves fall, yet trees stand strong. Let go, but stay rooted. The silence of nature speaks the loudest. Every dawn brings new possibilities. Let the breeze carry away your worries. Nature doesn't hurry, yet everything gets done. Clouds drift, showing us how to embrace change. A flower doesn't compete, it just blooms. Like a tree, stay grounded, but reach for the sky.